You know, most of the times, array, if someone is going to give the money, I'm in urgent need, so I require to pay to someone, but that person, okay, making a pressure because he had some land registration. I require to compulsory, I require to return that money. What will happen is, array, if someone help me because I'm not having the money, I will ask some other person. Then automatically that person is going to tell 2 rupees interest is not 3 rupees interest. If you are okay, if you are okay, 3 rupees interest, I will arrange like. Then automatically, here the problem is, because of this problem I have to resolve, then I will take 3 rupees interest. Okay, I will take and I will close that 2 rupees interest thing. Then after few days, this 3 rupees interest person is going to keep the pressure. Then what I will do is, array, is there any chance to get some 2 rupees or 3 rupees? Like, no. Then one person is going to offer a 5 rupees interest. Then I will take that 5 rupees interest because my concentration is always, I have to overcome this problem. Okay, tomorrow everything will be fine. Tomorrow everything will be fine. Like, I'm always thinking, I require to resolve this problem first. Like, then automatically, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, like interest I'm going to take, and I will clear these problems. At certain point, if you continue this journey, what will happen is, you are not in a position, okay, to handle your situation. The same thing is happen multiple people who are surrounding us. Remember this.